Hi everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Meet polls to boost engagement and get real-time feedback from your students while teaching live online. Polls are simple, fast, and a great way to check for understanding without interrupting the flow of your lesson. Let's get started. Once you're in Google Meet, look at the bottom right corner for the Meeting Tools icon. It looks like 9 dots. Go ahead and click that. From the menu that appears, choose Polls. This opens your polls panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll create, launch, and review your polls. If you're running a Google Meet from your iPad, the only way to use polls is to open the Safari app, then type in meet.google.com, sign in if you're not signed in, and start the Meet from the link there, not from the app. There you can find the polls in the same place as using Google Meet from your computer. To create a new poll, click Polls. Then click Start a Poll here at the bottom. You will enter your question at the top and then add your answer choices below. You can include as many options as you need. A few quick tips: keep the question short and clear, use multiple choice, and tie each poll to a key checkpoint in your lesson. When you're ready, you can either click Save, which will save it as a draft, or click Launch. Whenever you launch a poll, students will instantly see the poll pop up on their screen, and they can respond right away. If you save a poll as a draft, it will say Draft here at the top. Then when you're ready, you can launch your draft poll. You can also create a new poll by clicking Create a Poll. Here, I created a new poll and launched it right away. I can see it's live here. When I have most of my students' answers, I can click End the Poll and show the results to the students. Let's take a look at the student view. Feel free to show this part of the video to your students. When a teacher launches a poll, it should pop up at the bottom of your screen. You can tap that and it will go straight to the poll. Once you choose an option, you have to make sure you tap Vote or it won't be counted. If you miss the pop-up, you can go to the 3 dots at the bottom of your screen. Be sure to tap it once to wake the screen up so the menu appears. Once you tap on the 3 dots, choose Tools. Then tap on Polls. You can now answer the quick question, and again, don't forget to tap Vote. That's it. Whenever your teacher starts a poll, just remember 3 dots, Tools, Polls, Vote. Let's go over some ways that you can use polls during instruction. This is where the magic happens. You can use polls to check prior knowledge before starting a topic, do a quick comprehension check in the middle of a lesson, collect opinions, let students vote on an activity or choose the next example you work through, exit tickets at the end of class, or maybe a break during your instruction. As students vote, you'll see responses submitted in real time. You can choose to show results to students or keep them hidden until everyone has answered. After the meet ends, Google automatically sends you a poll report to your email. You can click on Polling Request and it will provide you with a spreadsheet. The first sheet shows you all the polls and the student responses. The other sheets will provide you with which option they choose and a timestamp. Finally, the last sheet will provide you with how many students answered specific options. This is great for participation points, guiding tomorrow's lesson, or keeping a record of student understanding. And that's it. Google Meet polls are an easy way to make your virtual lessons more interactive. Check for understanding quickly and keep your students with you every step of the way. Give it a try in your next meet. Your students will love it. Thanks for watching.